Hello, today we're going to be showing you some facts about birds. Number 1, birds can make a nest. Number 2, birds can make could fly. Number 3, birds of hundreds of years ago, birds like to play with people. Number 4, birds, there's some fast and slow birds. Number 5, penguins are a type of bird that cannot fly. Number 5, some birds do not fly. Number 6, chickens and baby chicks look like a bird. Number 4, there's no more facts. I don't have no more. So bye.